All right, my palms are sweaty. I love the, I love, I love the FLEER. You know, it'd be 86 is the greatest. Obviously, 87 to 88, man. Third year Jordan pack, man. Doesn't get any better than this today. So cross your fingers. 12 card. Again, this is a 35-year-old pack of basketball cards. FLEER basketball. That was the only set that made basketball cards that year. 88, 89. 12 cards and a sticker in the pack. Dreaded piece of gum. So we know that's one card that's trashed. 132 cards in the base set, so only 132 cards. 36 of those are Hall of Famers. Larry Bird, Magic Johnson, Chris Mullin, Ewing, Barkley, Olajuwon, Jordan, of course. 30 rookies, including these Hall of Famers: Scottie Pippen, Dennis Rodman, Reggie Miller, John Stockton. Man, I don't think I've ever owned the Dennis Rodman rookie, so that would be super cool, since obviously I'm a Piston guy. So let's see. Fingers crossed. Here's I can see the wax all over the back of whatever sticker. Oh, it's Larry Bird too. Sweet. So the sticker's Larry Bird. There's a ton of wax on the back of it. As you can see that. So, hey, I've got my card that I can try to get the wax off the back using that nylon technique everybody's been telling me to try. So there you go. I got my test card, so I'm excited about that. All right. So we know this one's Larry Bird. That's so cool. Larry Legend, man. Some of his YouTube videos about how much trash talking he did as a player. It's so cool. All right, we got DJ Dennis Johnson. There's a Piston killer. Oh, that guy was good. Dwayne Washington. Drafted by Miami. Horace Grant, another Piston killer. That's awesome card though, man. He was good. He was a big part of those championship teams. John Bagley. Ron Harper for Cleveland. I always felt sorry for that Cleveland team with Brad Daugherty and Mark Price and Ron Harper, and they were freaking always running into the Bulls. I felt sorry for him. Kenny Skywalker. Come on, Rodman. I know you're in there. James Donaldson. I'm starting to run out of cards. Oh, Armand Gilliam. Or Gilliam. He was a good player too. I remember him. Fats Lever. Lafayette Lever. Starting to look a little thin. What do I have? 3 cards left. Okay. Jerome Kersey. Vinnie Johnson, the microwave for the Pistons. Awesome. I love that guy. My actual nickname, I actually had a shirt in college that said microwave on the back. And the last card, Greg Anderson. And look at all the powder and all the gum powder all over this baby. Greg took the worst of it. So, man, the highlight was kind of the Larry Bird sticker. Boom. But Dennis Johnson's great. Horace Grant, Ron Harper. I mean, Vinnie, of course. They're good players. Just didn't get any of those super duper stars. Okay, peace. And pickleball, peace and pickleball. See you guys tomorrow with another pack.